Your stuff push outside. Activate it. This one up. Okay. And here button here on corner. This activating, and now regulate this down. Lights. Okay, you can go drive. Right side here. Here, right side. Activate the gearbox to drive.
This one, huh?
Front, no front. Only front. No, this one
Yeah.
only to front.
Okay.
This drive a period automatic one.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, this one is reverse.
No.
Huh?
Yes.
This is
Now it's not necessary.
This is
Neutral.
Yeah.
Okay. Release.
Yeah. Shall release?
Release and go.
Do not need a clutch.
No. Now it's automatic.
Okay.
Push to you and up. Okay.
Shall I?
And release the brakes. No, brake.
Okay.
You can let's
Shall I move?
accelerate moving slowly.
Okay.
Muszę zamknąć drzwi i iść podnieść padłkę.
And now you go. Let's go front. Red light one.
Yeah.
No, retarder not work now. Okay, green light. Let's go.
Jedź prosto.
Let's go front, forward. Don't change direction. Controlling the red one, retarder, 1, 2, 3, switch off retarder, up, up,
Okay.
controlling this green light, retarder, use it or no,
Huh?
controlling the green light on the console, green retarder, it's a period, no, it's okay, if you use it retarder it will be green.
Okay.
Green signal on the console, on the display of the car. Truck. ...30 kilometers per hour. Look, pay attention. You are 40. Oh, how it's moving, yeah? Loading. It's slide.
Yeah.
And you look, this one ball exit, this one boy exit.
Yes.
For this reason, respect 30 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
And need to respect the limit signals.
Przejedź przez rondo. Pierwszy zjazd.
First exit by
Left.
by
Left.
roundabout.
Left.
First exit. It's not left, it's right need to going. You on Europe. It's turn to
Right.
windshield glass. cleaning. Go to the by right way, right side, right. Controlling the mirrors.
Yeah. Now this one, huh?
Yes. Push more left and now right. Oh, 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 oh. Slide. Yes.
Skręć w lewo.
Left. Turn left.
Left, huh?
In the next. How are you? Fine?
Fine.